cool, it's your girl and I'm back for another vlog today, busting them out for y'all as usual. You guys, about how I maintain my wigs and what I use to basically apply and style my wigs on a daily basis, featuring my Nadula. First off, I want to say that the quality from this company is out freaking standing, okay? Outstanding. I have not had any hair from them that has ever frizzed up or shedded excessively, so it's really easy to manage. I mean, literally, you could probably just use a little H2O, a little water, a little spray bottle, and I say this all the time, spray it on this hair and it's gonna pop back. It's gonna go right back to out of box, okay? Seriously, that I really, really love, that I have to have every time I style a wig or apply a wig or do my baby hairs. Gotta have that Got To Be Glue gel, okay? This one's loved. It's loved. It's time for a new one, but gotta have my Got To Be Glue gel. Guys, this is the best thing since sliced bread. If you're not hip to it, you know, you need to get on the ball, seriously, because this Got To Be Glue gel is better than any wig adhesive I have ever tried. I mean, honestly, you know, is it waterproof? No. Is it sweat proof? Depending on how you use it, could be, but you have got to. But it's really good, considering that you don't have to really worry about it ripping out your edges and stuff like that. Okay. Next, to go along with my Got To Be Glue gel is my Got To Be Glued freeze spray. Blasting freeze spray, okay? Gotta have this. Spray it on your edges after you have done your baby hairs, and you put this on first. Follow it up with the Follow it up with the freeze blasting spray. Girl and hunty, that wig is on life proof at that point. It's nothing major is gonna take. That wig is in place, honey. It's not going anywhere. It's staying put, okay? My Sally Hansen airbrush leg spray. Matter of fact, I'm getting to the end of this, but I have to use this. So when I make my units, I make sure I spray some of this on the inside of my lace closure, and then I don't have to worry about bleaching my knots, okay? Because girl, I don't know about you all, but I don't have time for that. I got 8 kids. I don't have time to be bleaching knots. But spray a little airbrush legs under the lace, and girl, I haven't even touched this up with any powder or any foundation at all, and look, it looks it looks wonderful, okay? You can't even tell. So like I said, Nadula is really good. These bundles do not frizz up easily, okay? And once I set them, they're set, okay? So, but if I ever want to, you know, if I ever feel the need that I need to comb these down, if I ever feel the need to comb through my curls, which I usually do in the morning with a little water, I'll follow it up with my Salon Selectives mousse. Now this is from the Dollar Tree, okay? I don't like to spend a lot of money on products, especially when I use mostly just water, because that's all you really need is water. So I'll use my Salon Selectives. I'll spray some water on it, run my fingers through it a little bit, use some of my Salon Selectives, which is from the Dollar Tree, put that on my hands and just put that through my hands and just comb it through. That's all I do, y'all, okay? It sets like this and it's done. That's it. It's a done deal. You don't have to do much, not a lot, to get you don't have to put in a lot of effort to get a lot of gorgeousness, okay? These curls are life. They're everything and then some, okay? Would you like a little bit of it? There you go, honey. Okay, like I'm saying, I will say that sometimes for moisturizing, I will use just a little bit of my Shea Moisture Curl and Shine conditioner, but that's only if I ever need to deep clean this hair, wash it, and then I will set it with the conditioner and let it air dry. But this hair stays really soft, and I haven't experienced any dryness or anything. Those are my go-to products for when I'm styling my Nadula hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you would like to know the specs for the hair, the length, the type, and all of the links to what I am wearing, look down in the description box below, because all of that is down there ready for you guys to click on it. And I will see you all next vlog.